Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gear motor for Manitowoc part #20,003,596. The Manitowoc part #20,003,596 gear motor is a direct drive motor designed for use in Manitowoc ice machines. This motor is designed to provide reliable and efficient operation for the life of the machine. The gear motor features a high-efficiency, low-noise design that helps reduce energy costs and extend the life of the machine. The gear motor is also designed to be easy to install and maintain, making it an ideal choice for ice machines. The gear motor features a powerful 1/3 HP motor with a speed range of 0-1750 RPM, allowing it to handle heavy loads. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement gear motor for Manitowoc ice machines. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out gear motor and can help to fix symptoms such as the machine not producing ice, the machine making loud noises, or the machine not cycling properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the Manitowoc machine. 2. Remove the existing motor from the Manitowoc machine and discard it. 3. Install the new gear motor for Manitowoc part #20,003,596 in its place, making sure to align the mounting holes correctly. 4. Secure the gear motor with screws or bolts as appropriate for your model of Manitowoc machine. 5. Connect the power to the Manitowoc machine and test that it is working properly before use. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.